Hey guys, SwiftTech here with a quick review of the COWIN E7 wireless Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancelling. So here's a quick unboxing of the headphones. They come in pretty standard packaging. Here you have a pamphlet of instructions, and underneath you have the actual headphones. Now the headphones are pretty standard. They come with an aux cord, as shown here, as well as the micro USB to USB Type B connector for charging. So here are the headphones. As you can see, the ear cups swivel really nicely and the headbands are fully adjustable just like any typical headphones. On the bottom here you actually have the charging port as well as the on and off switch. Now these headphones, when you turn them on, they have a little blue LED indicator on the side. And you also have a volume up and volume down controls, which can also double as a skip track. The headphones have a soft padded lining on the headband to help pat your head. The ear cups are also extremely soft, and I have no problem wearing these headphones for hours at a time. So here you can see the LED indicator as well as the Bluetooth. So right now the blue symbolizes Bluetooth. You can also switch to NFC, which changes the LED indicator to purple. Overall, I highly do recommend these headphones. They have excellent sound quality and lasting battery life. They are comfortable, soft, and stylish. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to check out this product on Amazon.